Make a great choice today with the 2013 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control, child safety locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.